And literally loads of stuff has been happening during the Big Brother house recently. There's been so much stuff happening. No housemates coming in. Well, 5.
Please stand by for important news. Apparently, we have to stop scheduling due to an explosion in the room where Big Brother TRQR was being recorded recently. We are being told that everyone is evacuating the building, even the housemates. TRQR TV will stay off air at the moment. For more entertainment, please check films, music info, and absolutely.
Sadly, we can't bring you tonight's Big Brother TRQR due to an explosion at the building. Right now we're going to put on the Mr. Stickman show to cover TRQR TV's schedule.